Unity of the Three Brothers. Thomas was a Pratham 5 student. Every day after school, he picked a lot of jasmine from his garden to give to his mother. His mother made garlands from the jasmine and she sold them. His two younger brothers, Ton Hom and Ton Nam, were in Pratham 1 and 2. They didn't help their brother work. They played all the time. One day, Thomas was picking jasmine, which was plentiful in his garden, but his two brothers were playing hide and seek. Although the sun had nearly set, Thomas didn't stop picking jasmine, as he couldn't get enough jasmine. While Ton Hom and Ton Nam were playing, they saw lots of ants carrying some fruit to their home, and they were all walking in a line. They watched the hard-working ants. They thought that the ants helped each other work. Then they looked at their brother picking jasmine alone for an hour. They got an idea, and then they shouted to their brother,
"We will help you pick jasmine now."
Both of them helped their brother to pick the jasmine. Finally, they finished working in a very short time, and they had plenty of jasmine in their basket. At dinner, the three brothers happily told their brother the story.
"You are my best sons. Please remember that unity is power."
The three brothers smiled happily.